guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable Alt+Tab key on your Windows 10 or in your Windows 11 PC. So while playing games on your PC guys, if you want to use Alt+Tab key on your games, so at that time guys, this shortcut key will not work. It will show you another open window on your PC. If you want to disable this shortcut key, you can try this easy and simple method. You need to install one simple tool from the Microsoft Store. If you don't have Microsoft Power Toys, just open the Microsoft Store. Just need to download and install this application. Okay, after download and install, press Windows key button, and here you need to search Microsoft Power Toys and open it like this. And in the left panel you need to find out keyboard manager, open it and enable the keyboard manager from here, and here you can get the option remap a shortcut. Just click and open this. Okay, so it will open the new window on your screen. Just click on add shortcut remapping like this, and in the first box you need to extend this, and from here you need to find out the alt button. So as you can see guys, alt button is here. Just select it and it will show you another box. Just extend this, and from here you need to select tab like this. Okay, and in the keyboard shortcut key drop down menu, extend this and go to top. Here you can get the option disable. Just need to select the disable option from here. Okay, now your alt tab was disabled. Just click on OK. It will successfully activate this shortcut on your keyboard. Okay, now you can easily able to play your games without any disturbance. So this is the easy and very simple method. In case in future if you want to delete this, just here open the Power Toys application once again, go to remap shortcut, just select delete option. That's it. Okay, hope you enjoy this short and simple video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.